Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is the multiple string king, LaDerrick Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen, real quick, y'all know what time it is with me, man. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel while I take a sip of water. Woo! Y'all know I love my water, man. What's going on, YouTube family? What's going on? Listen, if this is your first time, all right, on my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. It's your second or third time and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, man. Listen, so anytime I shoot a video, all right, you get first dibs, all right. You want to make sure that you're getting this information because you don't want to be the one of those ones that say I shoulda, coulda, woulda. All right, I'm giving you the information, I'm giving you the goods, I'm giving you everything you need. Listen, what's going on, y'all? Listen, first of all, happy fourth quarter, man. It's fourth quarter living, y'all. It's October 1st. I couldn't be more excited, man. This is the month, all right. You all know that I like to, equate everything to sports, and I love how the months are broken down into quarters, all right. And we're in the last quarter of the year, all right. October, November, December. And you all know when it comes to sports in the fourth quarter, it's the most intense. It's the most crucial. It's when all the superstars are on the field or on the court. All right, all the decision makers, all the winners, all right, are on the court. All right, giving it their all, man, fighting to the end. All right, and that's what I'm encouraging you all to do today. This is really not a video for me to, necessarily market my business, but more so just to let you all know this is the time to get busy. Okay, the first 9 months you may have blew that, right? You may have blew that, but 2018 is not over. All right, 2018 and over. You got 3 months left. All right, so guess I've seen it. All right, I've watched sports and seen someone be down 3 quarters and come back in the fourth. All right, come back in the fourth because they didn't just lay down those 3 quarters. So I'm not saying that you laid down the first 9 months. All right, you may have been trying, but things weren't going your way. You may not have been putting in enough work ethic or whatever the case may happen, man. That defaulted you or stopped you or hindered your growth. All right, or for your success. To have a great 2018. Thank God for one more quarter. All right, so 2018 does not have to be a bust. So all I'm telling you now is to lock in, get focused, get around people, all right, that motivate you. All right, if you say, I don't have a lot of friends, everyone in my circle is doing X, Y, and Z, go to YouTube where you're at right now and find mentors on YouTube. Find people that have what you want, follow them, see what they're doing. Find out their daily routine. What are they reading? What are they doing? You need to follow their footsteps because success leaves clues. All right, and then you'll be able to create your own. I'm not telling you to duplicate exactly everything they do. All right, but there's some things that you can pull from different people. I do it all the time. I pull different things from different people and I make it my own. All right, I have my own regimen. I have my own style, or I have my own charisma. But also, I like following successful people, and I love the stories. Okay, the thing about it is, a lot of people. And some of you get excited about the glory. And what I mean by that is you're excited about the cars. You're excited about the houses. That doesn't excite me. What excites me is the story. How they got there from ground zero, what they went through, what they experienced, the trials, the tribulations, the failures. That excites me because it lets me know that, this road to success, it's not, okay, it's not just straight. However you want, it's not just this. It's this. All right, and you all gonna go through it, y'all. I've had my failures. All right, I'm still failing. All right, but I'm failing forward. I'm learning from my mistakes, and I'm steady growing in this entrepreneurship journey, man. I wouldn't trade it for the world. But I also can tell you all that it's not for the weak. All right, I've seen a lot of people come and go because they're not built for it yet, and the reason being is because they don't have any. They're not doing any personal development or self development every single day. I do it every single day. All right, they're not around the right people. They're around negative people. They're around people who quit. They're around people who are mediocre. They're around people who are, cool with being average. They're around people who are cool with being complacent, and just, they don't care about growing. All right, they're cool with what they have. All right, they're cool with what they have, and they're like, I don't need much. I can't be around those people, man. I have to continue to grow. I have to continue to be pushed. So I'm around people that are doing better than me. All right, because it pushes me and takes me to the next level. All right, and so all I want to say to you all, man, real quick, man, is that it's the fourth quarter. As you can hear, my kids have kids in the background. I'm married with 6 kids. Any of y'all who know, who don't know about me, all right, I've been in the online game now for 5 years, man. Married with 6 kids, okay? And I can say the entrepreneurship journey has been truly, truly, truly a blessing. And you can go down my YouTube wall and you can see tons of videos of what I do and how I've been doing. You also can follow me on my Facebook page, man. This is where I share a lot of content with people daily. But also, you know, my YouTube is fit to ramp up even more. You know, I had picked it up for a sense and I kind of fell back. I haven't shot a video maybe in a week or two. And I normally do videos every day or every other day. And so with this 4th quarter, I'm about to be back in you guys' face. So I'm telling you now, it's going to behoove you, all right, to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that bell so you're notified anytime Laderick Williams, the Multiple Stream King, all right, goes live, that you're able to get the notification and you'll be able to see the video firsthand. Because I'm always dropping nuggets. I'm always on to something new. All right, I'm always talking about making money. All right, but I'm also giving a lot of value and giving you something that you can take with you. All right, and that you can implement and apply today. And right now, all I want you to do, y'all, is just compete. All right, I want you to lock in. I want you to be focused. But when I say compete, you're not competing with anyone else. Compete with yesterday's self. Okay, compete with that man or that woman you was yesterday. Be better than that person yesterday. All right, and set the bar high for yourself every single day. Stretch yourself, grow, hustle, grind. This is the 4th quarter, man. Like I say, only the superstars are in. Only the elite are in. All right, only the people that's gonna make it happen. All right, it's in the game right now. So for the 4th quarter, it's do or die. All right, it's leaving it all on the floor. All right, you got to be all in the 4th quarter if you really want to, you know, reap the benefits. All right, you want that trophy. All right, when 2019 comes, you want to walk in 2019 with your chest out. You want to have your head down and like, man, this got to be better than last year. You don't want that story. Like I say, some of you are feeling like 2018 is over. It's not. You have 3 months left. All right, maximize this quarter to its fullest potential. If you got to lose sleep, sacrifice. You gotta make some sacrifices. You gotta do some things a little bit differently. Do it. Do it now. Don't be one of those people, man, that say, yo, 2019 is gonna change. I'm gonna be this and I'm gonna be that. Come on, really? Is it? All right, because you sung that same song in 2018, in the beginning of 2018. So 2018 is not over with. All right. So don't put so much focus on 2019. Do it now. Those goals that you have for 2019, start on them now. Gain momentum now. So when you go into 2019, those things can really come into fruition. All right. And it might happen sooner than later, but you want to at least start on them now. You don't want to wait till 2019 because, you know, if you do have those growing pains where it takes, you know, 2 to 3 months, then look, you're looking at what, March, April, all right, before you're able to really take off, when you can actually take off in January because you got started today. Whatever that is for you, man, get started, man. If y'all want to know more about what I do, I got a few links below, all right, about what it is I do online, how I'm making passive income, all right, and been able to grow a business from home now for the past 5 years. Also, my social media info is below. Click on that, follow me, add me. Got any questions or concerns? My email is below. Let's talk, let's link, let's connect, and I will love you all, and I will see you all on the next video. I heard the kids in the background. I think y'all can. I need to get back to my challenge, man. I will see y'all on the next video. It's your boy.